The influence of MicroStrategy in the cryptocurrency asset circle is already beyond doubt. Metaplanet, which is known as the Japanese version of MicroStrategy, is even more proactive in the strategy of hoarding BTC. Just now, Metaplanet announced the acquisition of an additional 150 bitcoins, and the total number of bitcoins held by Metaplanet has thus reached 3,200. Not long ago, Simon Jerovich, the CEO of Metaplanet, posted on the X platform that the company has achieved a Bitcoin yield of 45.1% in 2025 so far. The company's Bitcoin acquisition price is approximately $240.2 million, and the average acquisition price is about $83,172. Now, let's have a comprehensive introduction to this legendary company. Metaplanet is a Japanese company listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange with the stock code 3350. Metaplanet was founded in 1999 and was formerly known as Red Planet Japan, a budget hotel operator. In 2019, the COVID-19 pandemic dealt a devastating blow to its hotel business, and the company's revenue declined significantly. Since then, the company has tried to shift to Web3 and metaverse technologies, but without much success. It wasn't until 2024, when it announced the purchase of Bitcoins, that the company turned the corner. Currently, the company is dedicated to the blockchain and digital asset fields. Its main business revolves around Bitcoins. At the same time, it is also actively expanding its business related to the Bitcoin ecosystem. For example, it is transforming the Royal Oak Dakota Hotel in the center of Tokyo into the world's first Bitcoin hotel, which is expected to officially open in the third quarter of 2025. It also holds the exclusive license of the Japanese Bitcoin magazine, promoting the popularization and education of Bitcoin knowledge. In April 2024, Metaplanet publicly announced its intention to enter the Bitcoin market. On May 13, 2024, it announced that Bitcoin would be its strategic reserve asset, and then it began to make frequent purchases. As of March 3, 2025, Metaplanet held 2,391 bitcoins, with a total value of approximately $196.3 million, and an average purchase price of $82,100. The company plans to hold 10,000 BTC by the end of 2025 and increase it to 21,000 by the end of 2026. To achieve this goal, Metaplanet has adopted various financing methods. For example, in 2024, through a private placement to a third party, it completed the financing of the subscription rights for Series 13 and 14 shares, raising a total of 12.97 billion yen, approximately $87 million. It also issued ordinary bonds worth 5 billion yen for the purchase of bitcoins. Since announcing the purchase of bitcoins in 2024, the share price of Metaplanet has soared all the way. The share price has increased by more than 4,000% in the past 12 months, making it the best-performing Japanese stock in 2024, and one of the stocks with the highest increase globally. Its share price trend is closely related to the price of Bitcoin. When a major Bitcoin purchase plan is announced or the price of Bitcoin rises, the share price usually experiences a significant increase. In 2024, the number of the company's shareholders increased by 500%, reaching nearly 50,000 people, the vast majority of whom are retail investors. Many retail investors buy Metaplanet shares through the Japanese Individual Savings Account (NISA) program. This is because in Japan, the capital gains from directly purchasing bitcoins are subject to a tax of up to 55%, while investing in shares like Metaplanet through NISA is a cheaper and more convenient option. Metaplanet is known as the Japanese version of MicroStrategy, and its Bitcoin investment strategy has set an example for other Japanese companies. Companies in Japan such as RemixPoint are also adopting similar strategies. After announcing the purchase of bitcoins, their share prices have also increased significantly. This phenomenon reflects the growing attention of Japanese companies to Bitcoin investment, and has also attracted the attention of the global financial market to the Japanese Bitcoin investment market. However, the development of Metaplanet also faces some risks and challenges. For example, the price of Bitcoin is highly volatile. If the price of Bitcoin plummets, the company's asset value and share price may be severely affected, and its highly dependent retail shareholder base may also become unstable.